Look at that. Oh. All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new drone. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So let's check it out. See, it comes in this nice carrying case right here. So it's got like your user manual right here. Looks like extra accessories for it. It's got a USB drive, a micro SD card, and here's the actual drone itself. Super cool. And then here's the controller for it. I believe this is the battery for it as well. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. All right, so they did include an extra battery in here, and you just slip it on there. This will last you up to about 24 minutes of flight time, but let's go ahead and actually turn this on. We'll start by taking this off. Go ahead and power this on. It's like a 4.5-inch display. And it does have that camera right there. Let's set it down. So let's go ahead and actually set this up. English. All right, so let's go ahead and actually insert the SD card. And this can be used to transfer to like your computer, laptop. Just insert the micro SD card here. But it's gonna go right here on the side. All right, perfect. Now it is ready to go. It lets you know the battery, the connection, and everything like that. So let's go ahead and actually power this one on. Seems like it's on. Yes, so check that out. You can actually see the quality of the camera right there, which you can actually control as well. And then another thing that I do want to add about the controller is this part does lift up and you're able to put your phone here, so that way you can also see it on your phone here as well. So that way it could be quicker for editing and things like that. You'll just need to download the app right here and then it'll work with it as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take it outside and see how it works. All right, so we got it out here. So one thing that I did have to figure out is I turned them both off and then turned them both back on, and then to unlock it, you push both of these down and then it'll connect to it. So now it should be able to go. There we go. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Oops. All right, let's go ahead and try this out again. There we go. We're recording. This is cool. Whoa. Oh, that was cool. Then one thing that I just did want to show, in order to move the camera, you're going to want to use this one. So you can see it'll shift the camera right then and there. Just really depends where you want it angled. So fairly easy to move that camera right there. All right, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new, more like a kid's drone, beginner drone, so you can see I still need to kind of brush up on how to fly this thing. But if you guys are looking for like a beginner drone, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.